until like you start going fast, that's when you stop. But I don't go. Hey. It's okay. Good boy. Good boy.
Why are you scared of your beanbag?
Hey, nothing's happening. I'm doing what you did. Watch. Can you do it for me?
Rizzy, what's going on?
Okay, really? And then you keep pressing no, good over until you start going down, okay? That's when you let go.
Go get your toys. Go get your toys.
Yeah, until like the water starts going down, you start going a little bit faster. The water starts going down? No, when the water goes down, when you start going down that part, that is when you stop pressing W. See? See, that's the problem. How do you make it go fast? Did I do exactly how you made it? No. How you made it? No, I made a water slide. I'm making a big squid. Yeah, and I did it. It's not working. I'm making a squid one, kind of like you make first ones. What's the matter?
He just jumped again.
Whoa!
Maybe there's something in there.
Beanbag. Oh, cool! Kitten, I pressed shift. It was going down and I got all the way up. And it jumps off. Whoa, I'm Superman. I can jump so high. Chris, you want to make it fly? It's okay, boy. It's okay.